Saving faith is not just a mere statement in the mouth. Hindi lang yung sinasabing, Kristiyano ako sa nguso, Kristiyano ako sa pananalita. Hindi. Kristiyano ka sa pananalita at sa pamumuhay. Dapat kitang-kita sa iyong buhay ang mga ebidensya ng mga Kristiyanong bunga at biyaya. Virtue with knowledge, knowledge with self-control, self-control with steadfastness and faithfulness and patience, steadfastness with godliness, godliness with brotherly affection with love. Hindi maaaring walang bunga. If Jesus is the vine, ano sabi ng text? We are the branches. And if we are connected to the vine, the branches ought to grow. The branches ought to live. The branches ought to increase. If we are not increasing and growing, we are not probably connected with Jesus.